Hello students, in this part I will give some question answers from the chapter that is water bodies. First we will do fill in the blanks. Our first question, in the dash is the only ocean in the world is named after the country, so the answer is Indian Ocean. The next, the 5 Great Lakes are located in the continent of North America. Next, a bay is a curved indentation of a sea or a lake into the land with a wide opening. Next, Challenger Deep, it is the deepest point on the Earth's surface, is located in the Marine Trench. International Hydrographic Organization listed Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean as a major ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean in the world. The circular chain of active volcanoes is known as Pacific Ring of Fire. And the Lake Titicaca is a large deep lake in the Andes mountains. So these are some of the question answer from fill in the blanks. Let's next. Answer the following question number 1. Which are the major water bodies on earth? Answer is, the major water bodies on earth are ocean, sea, lake, rivers, gulf, bay, etc. Next, question number 2. What are oceans? And name 5 major oceans. So the answer is, the huge water bodies on the surface of the earth are called oceans. The 5 major oceans according to their size are Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern and Arctic Ocean. Next, what are seas? Name some important seas. So the answer is, a sea is a body of saline water that is a part of the ocean. Example, Red Sea, Caribbean Sea, Baltic Sea, Caspian Sea. Our next question, what are rivers? Name some important rivers of Asia. So the answer you will write, a river is a stream of water that flows in a channel down the slope of the land pulled by the force of gravity and finally flows into a lake or sea. Some important rivers of Asia are Indus, Ganga, Huanghe, etc. Next, why can't we use sea water for drinking? So the answer you will write, the sea water is toxic to humans because human body is unable to get rid of salt that comes from sea water. Now, next we will do some differentiate. So the first question, differentiate between sea and ocean. So in the sea you will write, a sea is a body of saline water that is a part of ocean. And example you will write Red Sea, Caribbean Sea, Caspian Sea. And in the ocean you will write, the huge water bodies on the surface of the earth are called oceans. Example, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. Our next question, differentiate between river and lake. So in the river you will write, a river is a stream of water that flows in a channel down the slope of the land pulled by the force of gravity and finally flows into a lake or a sea. Example, river Ganga, Indus. In the lake you will write, lakes are small water bodies which are surrounded by lands on all sides. Large lakes with saline water are called inland seas. For example, Caspian Sea, Lake Baikal, etc. Moving next, differentiate between upper course and lower course of a river. So in the upper course you will write, in the upper course river flow very fast, and in the first point in the lower course you will write, in this lower course river flows very slow. Second point in the upper course you will write, erosion is the principal form of work in this river. And the third point you will write, the main landforms produced by a river in this course are V-shaped valley, waterfalls, canyon. And the second point in the lower course you will write, deposition is the principal form of work in this course. The main landforms are formed in this course are delta, floodplain. So our fourth differentiate is differentiate between bay and gulf. So in the bay you will write, a bay is a curved indentation of a sea or a lake into the land with a wide opening. Example, the Bay of Bengal. In the gulf you will write, a gulf is an inlet of an ocean or a sea deep into the land with a narrow mouth. A gulf is larger than a bay. For example, Gulf of Mexico. So these are the question answers from chapter 3, that is water bodies.